Guys, I just woke up. It's like almost 10 minutes to 6. Um, Welcome back to my vlog. This is Show Me Babes again. Anyways. Alright, so basically today it's my man's not birthday, man's graduation, or my man's graduating. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna do a little vlog and stuff like that, you know what I mean? So yeah. Anyways, to my existing subscribers, welcome back to my channel. To my new subscribers, hey lovelies, hope you guys enjoy and welcome to the family. All right guys, so right now I don't have enough time to be yapping a lot. I will try to yap a lot when I'm doing my makeup. Okay, basically, yeah. So I'm gonna go shower, and when I'm done showering I'll be back. Okay, I need to be as quick as possible, but I'll catch you guys. Okay guys, I've showered and you can see my lace is lifting here. I don't know what I was doing. I was showering and I should have covered the whole part, but anyway, I'm gonna lotion up quickly and then I just lay this pot and then do my hair quickly and then my makeup, because I have to kind of leave by at least 10 past 7 or quarter past, and basically I have 1 hour 10 minutes to do my makeup, to do my hair. Of course my hair is laid, but I need to like style it the way I want, and to what else, to wear my outfit and all. And by the way, my nail came off, guys. My nail came off. Why? On the event, like I did this I think like 2 weeks ago or so. However, I wasn't gonna remove them because I'm like, let me just, they're gonna wait until today. So yeah, let me quickly do my lotion and all, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I've done this. Now I'm about to do my hair, but unfortunately I'm not gonna be able to do this on camera because I'm behind time. I haven't even started my makeup. I still need to do my hair, like started. So guys, I'm sorry, but sheesh, I'm sorry. I'll show you guys the finished look though, and maybe my outfit, you know what I mean? So yeah, let me do it quickly. So far we are here. I know I look like a clown, but what I can say is trust the process. Trust the process, guys. Trust it. Anyways, let me go finish. Okay guys, I'm done, and yeah, this is the final look. I'll show you guys the full look soon. I don't know how I'm gonna show you guys, but I'll show you guys. And this is me, guys. I hope that makeup ate. I mean, for some reason I feel like my lace went back a bit. I was supposed to bring it in, but it's okay. Oh good guys, so yeah, tell me what you guys think of the look. Then if I top it up with these, bro, woman in black, look at that. Yee, clock it, and the makeup, girl, look at that. We're like no Chris, no what. Anyways guys, let me go. Let me book my Grab and I'll be talking to you guys as we go. Okay, guys, since I'm done leaving, yeah, I'll show you guys my outfit at the, what you call it, my lobby, because that's where I can take a picture. Okay guys, let's go. we're going down. I mean, I have breakfast, but you know, it's kind of like Malay style, so I'm just like,
리와 이슈네스 가즈군요. 림칭
guys, this is my makeup when I'm back home. Of course, I've removed my wig because for some reason, guys, I will tell you this. My wig was, well, it started embarrassing me towards the end. It was lifting as if it's, I don't know, maybe because of I tried a new glue as opposed to what I normally use Got To Be and the, what do you call it, that whitish glue, the other one in a small thingy. And I was like, let me try to use something new. I'm like, I saw it on TikTok. I'm like, but I mean, it served it served the purpose. You know what I mean? So I'm back home, all good. And guess who's here? My friend, guys. So we're doing, I can't say a movie night, but it's a movie day. I'm done with my boyfriend's graduation and stuff, so we're just about to chill because my boyfriend is now with his dad, and also, yeah, guys. And drinking bad. I don't know why she brought coffee. Like, why are you bringing coffee? She knows I don't like coffee, but she's bringing coffee. Like, bro, chill. Anyways, guys. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Anyways, guys, today I'm in an afro. I'm not really used to like wearing my hair out, but I'm learning because I mean, I feel so lazy to like freeze up my hair. So, because I haven't done my hair yet, because I don't know what to get, guys. I really don't know. Like, genuinely, I don't know what to get. Anyways, so this is me. Welcome back, guys, and to my existing subscribers, hey lovelies, thank you so much for staying tuned in and for supporting me. For those that just joined us, hi guys, hope you guys enjoy the journey and welcome to the family. Today we are going bowling with my man and my friend and her friend. Basically, we are all friends somehow. Yeah. So, yeah. Oh, by the way, the other two are not couples. They're just friends as well. Anyways, so yeah. The other girl, of course, the girl that's gonna be there is she's my closest friend. I'm sure you guys know that already. Anyways, guys, imagine I've had these lashes for over a week already now. And I've been washing my face, doing everything, and guess what? We are still here. Anyways, so you guys stay tuned in. I'm about to leave. I'll show you guys my outfit outside at the elevator. Hi guys, I'm leaving. My house bent down. Okay, not the house, but the kitchen. This is a story for another day. But for those of you that see me coming to work, that a lunchbox like the entire month, last month, even this one, I don't know. That's a lot to talk about, but all I can tell you, it's a story for another day. And I'm also gonna be doing a Q&A anyway, so you guys can ask me if you want me to tell you the story. Let me show you my outfit. Okay, guys, this guy was telling us stories about his life. You know, I just think, you know, sometimes people be so stressed, but anyways, it's all good. Now I'm going to meet my friends, so catch you guys. Okay, so now I'm about to text my friend so I can ask her where she is. And then, yeah. Guys, my phone storage is done. I'm planning on buying the camera DG thing, Osmo Pocket, probably in the next month or two. I'm just trying to save for it, but then, yeah, I'll be buying it very soon. Maybe the next month or two, then I'll buy it. Let me show you guys the mall for now. about it. Eat, we drain, we tired, with everything, we soft, with everything, guys.
And I want everything.
She's the body.
I need man for me.
I'll give you. I'm your weak nail. Saga next week. We end up Baji. Paliju India, bye. Eh, no, Jefferson. No, time, then no, 100,000. And 1,000, no, manage your ear. Guys, so we're about to eat. I think I showed you guys. No, actually, I'll show you guys the food just after. The clip is gonna come after this. But this is my food, and I'm so happy to eat, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to eat my food. Thank you guys for watching. For those that got to watch till the end, thank you guys. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys. Bye.